Are you looking for an optimal metal cutting solution? Discover the Cosen G320 automatic bandsaw, a pinnacle of Taiwanese engineering. The Cosen G320 features a robust dual-column design and a powerful 5-horsepower motor, enabling precise cutting of metal workpieces up to 325 millimeters. Its advanced PLC control system allows programming of up to 100 cutting commands, ensuring high accuracy and outstanding productivity. With adjustable cutting speeds and an automatic lubrication system, the Cosen G320 not only extends blade life but also minimizes cutting errors. Its independent electrical cabinet and safety features, such as a blade guard, ensure safe operation, making it suitable for any machine shop. From machining steel and stainless steel to aluminum, the Cosen G320 meets every need in the mechanical, manufacturing, and industrial production sectors. With high durability and stable operation, it is the ideal choice for your business. Upgrade your production facility with the Cosen G320. Contact us today for expert consultation and the best pricing available.